Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, and non-binary human beings. This is actually here. I'm at the back office of the instant income method. This is a new system that was created to promote MyEcon. MyEcon is a fast-growing company offering credit repair and financial services, mostly financial education. I joined MyEcon 3 years ago. It was 3 years ago. And basically, I joined it not to do the opportunity, not to promote it or anything. If you can go back to my YouTube channel, you can see that for the 3 years that I've been in it, I have not promoted it. But I stayed as a member because I believe in the product. It is a great product. And MyEcon, it's a low ticket opportunity. So for some reason, when a opportunity is low ticket, people don't take it seriously or don't know how to promote it or don't know what to do with it. But from all the friends that I know that are affiliate marketers and have joined MyEcon, the fact that it's so affordable made some people think that it wasn't worth promoting it. Believe me, it's worth promoting it. I know a few guys that have actually basically retired from their jobs just promoting MyEcon. And they did so because they just treated it like a business, worked on it like a job, and worked really hard at it. The thing with them is that a lot of them were experienced affiliate marketers already, or had some experience, and they knew how to build funnels and create sales letters and create sales videos and promote it never ending on online, on Facebook, on YouTube, and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am going to go and show you just a quick little tour of the back office, and then I'm gonna show you some of the funnels. Usually, if you guys know Mac, it's the guy that does all the VSLs for any system that he creates for any opportunity. But this time he did it a little different. He had Christina do some of the videos. She's in some of the videos. So it depends who you want to market to. If you want to market to the ladies, to the women, you have a friendly and let me say, without her husband getting mad, a beautiful lady promoting the opportunity, and she has been making enough, great income with the opportunity ever since she started promoting it. Before the instant income method was created. So let me show you first of all. This is where you start when you decide to join MyEcon and get my instant income method to promote it. Here's some training right here, and this is like really great training. I know Franco, he's been my friend for years, I think close to almost 2 decades. He's an amazing guy. He's a great trainer. Don't know these people, but if they're here, it's because they know what they're talking about. So that's training over here. Right here's traffic. I'm not gonna go into that because it's gonna pop me into a different a different tab, and I already have a bunch of tabs open. And here are the links, right? Here are all the Christina links, right? And here are all the Mac links. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am going to show you all the Christina links. All right, this is one right here. Let me take off, put the volume on so you can see, listen to her soothing voice.
Hey, it's Christina back with you again one last time. Now that you're in, it's time to set up your automated system, which we'll have up and running for you within the next 5 minutes.
There you go.
Even if it's 2 a.m. You'll get multiple high converting.
Nice, clean sites right here. This is the actual landing page where you will put your information. Oh no, this is not it. I'm still pretty new at this, so these are actually after you opt in, this is the page that you go to. And if you're an experienced marketer and you already know how to make landing pages and squeeze pages, you can just make one that brands you, and then on the other side you could just link it to this, and you're all set. Let's see right here. Oh, there you go. These are the actual landing pages. You go over here, enter your email, show me the results, and it would take you to one of these pages over here. It would take you to this, right? Here's another Christina page. Here's another Christina page for you to log in, enter your information. There you go. So if you have any, if you want to make any Facebook ads or YouTube ads, and your demographic, you want to reach the stay-at-home moms, the homeschooling moms, the moms that are home and want to help their husbands, or or they're single moms, they want to get ahead, but they don't want to sacrifice time with their kids. This will be the pages that you go and show them. All right. So let me go right now. I'm gonna close all of these pages, and I am going to show you the Mac pages. Okay, so here we go. These are the Mac focus ones. I really like this one right here. It has no video or anything. You enter your information right here. You enter email, and it will take you to the next page. Same thing right here. This is Mac again. And the cool thing with Mac is that he's a brand. He has so much credibility as an affiliate marketer that you see his picture anywhere, you'll be like, oh, I want to be doing what this dude's doing. If he's doing it, it must be worth it. He's not the cup of tea for a lot of people, so I understand why he moved on. He didn't stop doing his videos, but he used Christina. He partnered with Christina to do this, so she can pull in a different demographic than him. Over here, this is his VSL. I'm thinking, yeah.
China says the number of
Oh no, this is like, yeah, this is.
affected by a mysterious respiratory virus has more than.
There you go.
Cash is king.
There you go.
If you can't pay for it in cash, you can't afford it. These are just a few of the many phrases that will.
And the great thing about Mac is that he's a smart dude, so he joins opportunities that are gonna make money for sure. If you know how to work it, if you are willing to train, and if you want to take it seriously. If you guys are familiar with MCA, he was involved with MCA. He was one of the big dudes there, because he knows how to promote these opportunities. And he wouldn't get into an opportunity that is not gonna pay. So there you go. This is one of Mac's videos. I think it's the same one. Let me check.
Hey, it's Mac back with you again, one last time. Once
See?
again, congratulations.
So it's basically the same videos that Christina does. It's just that Christina adds her more soothing, quiet voice to these VSLs. So now I think you have more choices in how to promote MyEcon, and here you go. Especially if you're not really that proficient in making pages and creating your own landing pages and things like that. Right here, you're good to go. All you gotta do is plug in into the training and follow the instructions. This is perfect for pumping leads into buying leads, buying hits, getting cold leads. This is perfect because these are awesome pages, and once they opt in and they see that video sales letter, I mean, it's really well done, and you will probably get a lot of not only leads, you will probably get people to choose join MyEcon and join instant income method, because it's a low entry point. Even if you get both things, it's gonna be under $100, and it's it's not a high ticket. It's not you're not forking out 500, 1,000, 2,500 for an opportunity. Is basically less than $100, and you're good to go. Just follow the instructions. Or if you're an experienced marketer and you didn't know that Mac was doing this with MyEcon, now you know. So this is Douglas Valenzuela. As I always say, enjoy life with the ones that you love. And just check all the links below this video, and just go ahead and join. If you were thinking about joining MyEcon before and you hadn't done so, do it now. If you're already in MyEcon, go ahead and opt in anyway. And if you want to get this system, you should skip the whole joining MyEcon thing, and you skip right over to getting the system, and you're also good to go. I'm under a different sponsor, and he's a great sponsor, but right now he's going through some really tough health problems, so he's kind of out of commission right now. But I'm sure that when he is back on commission and he's working his business again, he's probably gonna get the instant income method, because he's actually a pretty good marketer himself. It's just that right now he's dealing with some really hardcore health issues, but he'll be back. So if you hadn't seen it before and you're ready with MyEcon and you were looking for some way to promote it, make it easy, you don't want to be building pages, you don't want to be creating funnels. These funnels are already created for you. Or if you already have your funnels that you've created with either Buildroll or any other web builder, over here you can just create your landing page, branding yourself, and then you direct them to the Mac VSL or Christina, whichever one you think is best, or you can do some split testing, and there you go. All right, so once again, I already said goodbye, but let me say goodbye again. This is Douglas. Enjoy life with the ones that you love, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.